Ever heard a song on TikTok and wished you could instantly listen to the entire track? Now you can. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to add and pre-save music from TikTok to streaming services like Spotify or Apple Music. Now let's get started. To save music from TikTok to your preferred music streaming app, open TikTok and find a post with a song you want to save. Tap the song name at the bottom. Then tap Add to Music app. Tap Add next to the music streaming app you use. If prompted, allow TikTok to access your music streaming app. You'll then be redirected back to TikTok, where you can simply tap the name of your now linked music streaming service to add a song from TikTok to your liked songs. Artists can also now add pre-save links for music streaming services to their TikTok profiles if they have a new album or song coming out soon. Tap Pre-Save to save their upcoming music release to your preferred streaming service before it comes out. That way, once it's released, it will already be saved to your account to listen right away. That's all it takes to add music from TikTok to streaming services like Spotify and Apple Music. To learn how to save music from Instagram to Spotify, check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.